Are you tired of your dry skin and on the hunt for a natural solution? Welcome to our DIY skincare guide, where today we're diving into the world of luxurious homemade face serums. We'll explore a recipe crafted with essential oils and hydrating carrier oils, each chosen for their unique skin-loving benefits. This journey into natural skincare will not only help you bid farewell to dryness, but also reveal a radiant complexion like never before. Stay tuned to discover how to make a hydrating and rejuvenating face serum right at your home. Before we start, we need to gather our ingredients. Let's begin with the essential oils. Lavender, known for its calming properties, soothes the skin. Ylang-ylang, a potent hydrator, adds a touch of luxury. Chamomile, with its anti-inflammatory benefits, reduces redness and irritation. Sandalwood, a natural emollient, locks in moisture. Frankincense, treasured for its anti-aging properties, firms and tightens the skin. Lastly, geranium balances sebum production, making it perfect for dry skin. Now let's move on to the carrier oils. Coconut oil, a staple in many beauty routines, deeply moisturizes the skin. Avocado oil, rich in fatty acids, nourishes and rejuvenates. Rosehip seed oil, packed with vitamins, brightens and evens out skin tone. Lastly, sweet almond oil, an excellent emollient, leaves your skin soft and supple. Quality is key when choosing your oils. Always opt for pure, organic, and cold-pressed oils to ensure maximum benefits. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to dive into the recipe. Now we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own face serum. First things first, let's gather up the carrier oils. In this case, we're using coconut oil, avocado oil, rosehip seed oil, and sweet almond oil. These oils act as a base and help to carry the essential oils onto your skin. They're packed with nourishing properties that will make your skin feel like a dream. Now, to prepare the serum base, take a clean glass dropper bottle. Start by adding 1 part each of coconut oil, avocado oil, rosehip seed oil, and sweet almond oil into the bottle. You'll want to fill the bottle about 3/4 of the way full with these carrier oils. Next, it's time to introduce the stars of the show, our essential oils. We're using lavender, ylang-ylang, chamomile, sandalwood, frankincense, and geranium. Each of these essential oils brings its unique benefits to the table, from calming inflammation to promoting a healthy glow. To add the essential oils to your serum base, all you need to do is drop in about 5 to 7 drops of each oil. Remember, less is more when it comes to these potent oils. It's always best to start with a lower amount and add more if needed. As we blend these oils together, let's talk safety. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can be irritating if used undiluted. Always do a patch test before applying to your face and never use more than the recommended amount. Now, once all your oils are in the bottle, close it up and give it a good shake to mix everything together. When it comes to storing your serum, a cool, dark place is best. This will help preserve the potency of the essential oils and extend the shelf life of your serum. And there you have it. With just a handful of ingredients and a few simple steps, you've created a luxurious face serum that's customized to your skin's needs. And voila! You've just created your personalized hydrating face serum. Now that your serum is ready, let's talk about how to use it and the benefits you can expect. Apply the serum gently to your face, massaging it in with circular motions to promote absorption and increase blood flow. Remember, a little goes a long way, so just a few drops should suffice. Applying the serum at night can enhance its benefits, as skin cell renewal rate is higher during sleep. This DIY face serum is not just a hydrating elixir, it's a skin-reviving potion. With regular use, you'll notice a remarkable improvement in your skin's appearance. Dryness and flakiness will be a thing of the past. Your skin will feel softer, look plumper, and radiate a healthy glow. This is more than just a skincare routine. It's a self-care ritual, a moment to pamper yourself each day. With regular use, you can bid goodbye to dry skin and welcome a radiant, hydrated complexion. Well, that wraps up our DIY dry skin face serum recipe. Why not give it a try? Unleash your inner alchemist and blend these oils to create your unique skincare potion. Remember, every skin is different, so feel free to customize this recipe to suit your needs. Once you've tried it, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY skincare tips and recipes. We look forward to hearing about your experiences with this serum. Until next time, keep glowing.